Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as it will greatly help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on potential trap setup and market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at Tesla. So you can see that Tesla is currently being rejected off this particular trend line here. You can see that it was tested once, twice, and 3 times. And then we see some sellers appearing at this level. So you can see that this is a very nice wave pattern. It's a very nice 5-wave pattern that we are looking at Tesla. So this first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and then the 5th wave. And if you notice that the 5th wave is actually similar to the first wave. So this is the first wave up, and then the 5th wave, we are looking at something around here. So you can see that these distinct wave patterns are actually playing out quite well for Tesla. So now, currently, you can see that this is the first wave down for Tesla. So this is the first wave down, and currently this is the second wave up. So currently now this is the third wave. How long it will drop to, we wouldn't know. But I do see some supports coming in at this level here. So this will be my first support for Tesla, which is coming up very, very soon. In fact, it actually almost hit the other day. So this will be my first support for Tesla, which is the previous resistance here. Will probably act as some upcoming support for later or even the upcoming sessions. So this X60 is a first very minor support that Tesla may hold. Well, if we were to break down further, then I'm immediately looking at this $800 psychological support level. Of course, it may go to around 780, 790, and then flip back up. That's a possibility. So we can see this is the particular wave that we are looking at for Tesla. You can see that we had a very good climb from a low of around 758 all the way to a high of 1045 levels. So if this movement up were to coincide with the movement down, we may be looking at this $800 psychological support. And thereafter, we may see a short-term rebound. Whether we rebound to reversal, we wouldn't know. But there may be a possibility that we have a short-term rebound to go back to 880, where was this previous resistance. After this previous resistance, we may probably go back down, depending on the market sentiments. So just to re-explain, currently this wave pattern up here may coincide with this wave pattern down here for Tesla. So we may be looking at this particular wave pattern from a high of around 1080 all the way to a low of all the way to a low of $800 before we see a short-term rebound to around 880, and thereafter we may see this last pullback, or instead this particular wave pattern for this wave 5. So let's change a different color. So this wave 5 here may coincide with this level at 880. So we'll hit a high of 880 before we go back down to retest this $700 low for Tesla. So that is what I see for Tesla. And if the market sentiments were to not improve by the time we hit these levels, I'm afraid we may continue to slide further. I have not projected how far we may go. We may potentially go back to this support level was around 640, 650s. So that is a possibility after this $700 is broken. Well, I do hope for a double bottom to come in as a short-term support, so that this is a potential support for Tesla in the upcoming sessions. So just a quick recap, currently looking at this particular support level at 860. And if we were to break down, then unfortunately, we'll be looking at this $800 psychological support for Tesla. And if we were to have a short-term rebound, I'm looking at 880 before we have a final fall all the way to the lows to retest the lows of $700 once again. So the market sentiment and outlook currently is very poor. And if it were to remain poor in upcoming sessions due to the poor earnings results, then I'm afraid Tesla may continue to fall further. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock tea requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.